हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एम के मंत्रा। और आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको ये सिखाऊंगी कि विथ टाइम विच पार्टिकल वी कैन यूज। सो फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू राइट द टॉपिक दैट विथ टाइम विच पार्टिकल we use. So with time we use knee particle. What is the meaning of knee particle? If I translate it in English, so it means in or at. Now, the thing is that how can we use knee particle with time? How can we use knee particle with time? So, example, I wake up, I woke up at 3 o'clock. So, in Japanese, if I translate it, then Vata Shiva Sam San Ji Ni Vata Shiva San Ji Ni Oki Mashita. Definitely, the people who are watching this video and they don't know Japanese, so they will be in trouble that what I have written in this video. But I will try to translate this for you, and I will try to translate it into this level so that at least you can understand. So just understand this point of view that if you don't know Japanese, so it will be little bit difficult for you to understand what I am translating here. But if you cooperate with me little bit, so I'll try to help you. So here, watashi means I. Okay. And so what is wa here? Wa is a topic marker, which is highlighting the topic. Highlighting the topic means here the topic is watashi. Because the sentence is starting with watashi, it means that we are talking about watashi. Okay, we are talking about I. So because I'm talking about I, so I made watashi as a main topic. So you can say what is wa is doing here. So basically wa is highlighting watashi here, that we are talking about I. Okay, so then I will translate Sanji. Sanji here means 3 o'clock. Then I have Ni. Ni here means at, or you can say in also. And woke up. Woke up will translate to Okimashita. So here, if I translate this in English, so it will be like I woke up at 3 o'clock. But if I translate it in Hindi, so it will be मैं 3 बजे उठा. Okay. So Vata Shiva I Sanjini at 3 o'clock. Okay. And Okimashita is woke up. So I woke up at 3 o'clock. Here, what you need to focus is that ni particle is placed after time. I will highlight it. Ni particle is placed after time. And what is the time here? Time is Sanji, which means 3 o'clock. So we need to add ni particle after the time. Let's take an example. If I want to say that I woke up at 4 o'clock. So 4 o'clock so let's take an example. I give another example. I woke up at 4 o'clock. So 4 o'clock in Japanese is yoji. Yoji. So in place of sanji, I can replace yoji. So I will say watashi wa yo watashi wa yoji ni okimashita. So what I am trying to say here, that whenever you are adding any time, okay, that you are doing some action in this particular time, so that particular time can be specified by ni particle, because ni means that you are doing that thing at that time, that point of time. Okay. So one thing is clear, that whenever we are using in or at with time, so we will be using ni particle. Okay. So now another question will be, in Japanese, we do not use ni particle with all times. I will also highlight it. So basically, in Japanese, we do not use ni particle with all times. Okay, in every time, you can't use ni particle. And the reason I'll tell you, time is divided into two parts. Time is divided into two parts. The first part of the time is that the time which can be converted into digits. Time which can be converted into digits. Let's take an example. If I say that 1 year. 1 year can be translated into digit. See how I'm writing in digit 1 year. If I say that, let's take an example, January. So January can also be translated into digit, which is first month. If I say, let's take an example, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. So 5 o'clock is also like can be translated into digit. You can see 5 here. If I say that 5 o'clock, 5 minutes, it is also can be translated into digits. So here we have seen the time which can be, converted into digits. Okay. And there is a time which cannot be converted into digit. Time which cannot be converted into digit. Okay. So time which cannot be converted into digit, what are the examples so that I can justify you? Example, I said today. Today, I can't convert it into time, right? If I say tomorrow, tomorrow is also can't be converted into time. Okay. Just give me a moment. So tomorrow can't be converted into time. If I say day after tomorrow, so day after tomorrow also can't be converted into time. So those times which can't be converted into digits, so we can't use ni particle with those times. So time which can't be converted into digit does not take knee particle. Okay. And time. Okay. Time which can be converted into digits. Okay. The time which can be converted into digits does take knee particle. Okay. Does take knee particle. So here, now I will clear you that what about this, if I write here days of the week. Days of the week is like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. You will be confused whether this will be taking knee particle or not. So I will tell you. First, let's check if these days can be converted into numbers. So first we need to check no that whether Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday can be converted into digits or not. So what is Monday? Monday is first day of the week, right? What is Tuesday? Tuesday is second day of the week, right? So what did you see? You see that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these can be converted into numbers because Monday is first day of the week, Tuesday is second day of the week, Wednesday is third day of the week. So these Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday can be converted into digits. But here, one important thing you need to know. First, I'll write here third day of the week. One important thing you can note here that this is important, okay? Using knee particle with days of the week is optional. What does optional means? Optional means that it is not mandatory to use knee particle with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can use it. It's fine. Even if you don't use it, it's fine. But it will come as a specific time because you can convert into digit. Okay. So now I will give you the summary that what I have taught you today. Okay. The summary is that with time, which particle we use? Knee particle. Knee particle. And what is the meaning of knee particle? In or at. So, compulsory to use knee particle. Compulsory to use knee particle is when the time can be converted into digits. And when this is not, when this, you can't use knee particle, what was the situation? You can't uh, use knee particle. It is a situation when time cannot be converted into digits. And if you see my video that above, I have already given you example that time which cannot be converted into digit. Okay. And optional part is, so with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it is optional that you can use knee particle, or even if you use knee particle, it's fine. And if you don't use knee particle, it's fine. So the point here is that thank you. First of all, thank you for watching this video. And I will always recommend you that always try to, watch the video fully. Sometimes there is a tendency that we try to skip some parts. So maybe there is a chance that if you do so, you will lose some important point of information. So do watch the video fully. And thank you so much for watching it. Thank you. Bye.